就是跟我听说的一样吗？就家里没有人了吗？现在？
应该是对，就是按照这个我们得到的这个情况是这样的。
这个怎么可能反正就再说我妈妈有什么罪？
Our story. My name is Arsan Hidayat. I want to talk about how the Uyghur genocide is directly affecting me and my family. This is Abdurrashid Tohti, my father-in-law.
爸爸呢？
爸爸您是那个因犯聚众扰乱社会秩序罪，准备实施恐怖活动罪，被依法判处有期徒刑16年11个月。
My mother-in-law, Taj Qadir, was also sentenced.
妈妈有什么罪呀？50多岁的一个女人。
这里面他是说的是2017年12月13号啊，因为准备实施恐怖活动罪，被判处13年有期徒刑。
This is a very typical crime that China sentences Uyghurs. My brother-in-law, Ahmadjan Abdurrashid, was sentenced back in 2016 for 7 years. And my other brother-in-law, Amtili Abdurrashid, has also been sentenced.
然后弟弟
是妹妹100吧？
就是。
他是2017年8月20号，因犯寻衅滋事罪，准备实施恐怖活动罪，被判处15年11个月。
Now, these people are innocent. My family is innocent. They have committed no crimes. To this day, we've been trying our very best to find out where they are, to find out their well-being, hell, to even find out if they're even alive or not. And let's just say they even were guilty of these crimes and are labeled as prisoners. What sort of prisoner does not have the right to be in contact with their own family members? Prisoners around the world, prisoners have rights. They have at least the right to be in contact with their family. What sort of government is this to lock up millions of people, these innocent people who just go about their daily lives and yet labeled terrorists? This is why my wife and I, we've dedicated our lives to highlighting the Uyghur genocide all around the world. We are based here in Washington, D.C. But to this day, we have no idea where our family members are. I mean, just look at the state of our family home.
Our search for Noor's family took us to the outskirts of Kashgar. Next door, we found her house derelict and abandoned.
Oh my God.
I called her and showed her what we had found. It was clearly very upsetting.
Our story has been covered widely in mainstream news media, but still no answer as to the whereabouts of our family members. We demand that the Chinese government, Chinese regime, release our family members and unite them with us. And we demand that they release every illegally imprisoned, arbitrarily detained Uyghur in concentration camps, in forced labor facilities, and prisons. And we will not stop until our demands are met.
他们在哪？